I'm at Lotus's house again. But she's not here. She's taking a shower. Cause she dirty. Okay, come on, Jackie, it's your segment. Hey, it's Jessa! God, man. We need John. John's a good, I know. I don't know what he does. I think he like practices freestyling or something. My name is Jessa Sacramento. Hey, I was on a roll. No, you were not. Oh, my name is Jessa Sacramento. Yeah, and my sister's name is Karen Sacramento. Yeah, she has the same last name as me because she's my sister. Yeah, ooh, 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 ooh. I love my sister. Her name is Karen, yeah. Oh, she's so pretty with beautiful hair, and she can play the piano, yeah, so good. She played the piano good, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah.
What Jessa now?
Okay, Jessa.
Okay. Here.
What happened?
That was my solo.
Are we? Cheesecake Factory. Happy Mother's Day. What did you do?
What are you getting?
I'm gonna get
You don't want a burger?
I know I cannot do.
I want a burger.
Get a burger then.
You want to share? I mean, like, you get...
Half. Well, half.
You want a burger and I get a burger? I wanted 2 burgers, like mushroom, and then I was gonna get the Kobe one.
No, I don't want a burger.
It's all over my steering wheel!
Wait, you didn't know that?
Wait, we're doing it.
We were just on left.
Huh?
We might as well just park. You usually don't like bow out your laugh.
You don't.
Right? When
Okay.
you do, it's like...
Stop! Don't tease my laugh.
Do
I
it
laugh
again,
like my
do it
aunties.
again.
No. He's gonna vomit. He's gonna vomit. Okay, do your fake gag. Go, John.
I never tried yet.
You, John.
John.
Okay, go again.
Guillermo.
Wait.
I don't get it! I'm not vomiting! Vomiting is gross and wet.
That's not vomiting, you gurgled. You gurgled your vomit.
Yeah!
Swallow.
You go, Jessa. You are.
Do it again, do it again.
Something down your throat?
They go.
Oh, yeah.
You can't see anything, you just hear us.
I'm sorry, did that hurt? Oh my god, I know you're gonna.
I know, she got ready, she sat up and then she
All like ape.
Not even sore.
oh, I have a phone.
Wait, I got it. Wait.
What's happening? 911.
We're by the Wendy's though, by the airport.
Never mind. No.
John!
Eyes open.
At church, I told you.
No, it keeps opening.
We're such good. John asked. Okay, this is what happened. So John was hanging out of the car window. We were parked. We were parked. We weren't driving. We were parked. We left the car all like that. It's all open.
Why is it wet?
And John started screaming like crazy. I'm like, you're retarded.
Screaming.
You're
And I was
retarded,
like,
John.
what happened? And he's like, there's a crash. And I was like, I don't see anything. And he was just like standing. And then like we looked, and then the guy was screaming, right?
I know.
I think he got thrown out of the car or something.
Oh, damn.
my
Oh,
God.
look at that. What do you think?
Oh,
That was the ice cream.
oh.
Wait, why was he screaming?
Yeah,
Why was
and
the
then
guy screaming?
the guy was screaming,
I think-
and we
okay,
were
I
freaking
saw-
out. So then we're like, come on, please, ambulance. And then
You saw him?
we
He had to walk to the car.
and then we all ran out, and then Jackie
The guy got thrown out of the car, but the girl was.
Jackie called the police, and then she gave the phone to me, and
No, but he.
we called, and then the guy just drove away, and we look like stupid idiots. We look like idiots calling the police, and then like he drives away, and it's like, oh my god, I'm pretty sure he didn't want to get involved with like the police or something like that. They probably like jumped or something. Yeah, something like that. But we were being good citizens.
Is that real?
Yeah.
I didn't catch everything. I should have caught like John like
I was
running.
running, and then the lady in the drive-thru said something to me, and I was like, what?
Yeah.
And she said, are you guys okay?
Are you guys
I'm
okay?
like, reading against a car accident.
I know. I'm like, what? No, I'm not taking a picture right now.
Oh.
Okay, so this, what is this?
Asagio ranch
Asagio.
flatbread. Asagio.
Asagio.
I wouldn't know.
Flatbread chicken.
And Jackie, she's eating, she's chowing.
I'd rather share it with
Jackie.
my taste buds. Did you guys watch that commercial?
No. Can I have a fry? Thanks. And that's John.
Hi.
I've been stealing people's fries today.
I want a fry.
Finished.
What do you have?
Fry?
I don't know. I have a burger. Oh, I guess I got a chicken.
Yeah, what you eat?
You guys both have
Can I
chickens.
steal a fry?
Really? I didn't want a chicken though.
We're manly girls because we all have manly sandwiches.
John, can you grab a fry for me, please?
Yeah, chicken.
Get a fry. Oh yeah,
Did anyone
fries.
get ketchup?
Nope.
I got something bad.
We should have asked Wendy's like if they could give us free food for being good people.
Not even. Not even. What?
Yeah.
Were you guys talking?
Yeah, we were talking.
I swear we were talking. Was this when we went to study at UH and it was your turn to drive?
Yeah.
I did not fall asleep,
No,
did
dude,
I?
you fell asleep.
Okay,
like
you
2
fell asleep,
seconds
John.
after.
How did I wake up?
I woke you up. Because remember I had to put water inside of my radiator? And we stopped by my place. I was going to drop you off, but then we
That's
went.
so weird. Why don't I remember any of this?
You don't remember Jay like recording you?
I remember him driving to school, but that's all I remember. What did you have me on? Did you like inject something?
How did you get home?
How did I get home?
Look, this is what they make you wear when you radiate.
When you what? When you what? What do you want? I wanna see.
How did that go? Show the world. Show the world.
Okay, so what is this?
Your face too. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this?
Too, but mine didn't look that.
For what?
My tailbone.
So your butt was showing too, yeah?
Yeah.
What is it?
What'd you have to do? For what?
X-ray.
Oh.
Aren't X-ray technicians
We're gonna
usually women?
X-ray mine too, but then.
It's so funny because you know the white thing right there.
Yeah.
It came off, so I thought it broke, right? So I came outside. I'm like holding the back, like, excuse me, I think mine broke. And like, no, that's why you wrap around. I'm like, oh, so shame.
That's what you wrap
I
around?
think.
Yeah, that's what you wrap around, like a belt.
Oh.
And then Karen and them were having their devotional prayer.
We didn't know,
And then Karen and Jamie comes on and they're like, we can hear you guys. And then Karen's like, you sing Cheetah Girls.
Should have girls, yeah.
See, it's always like not my fault. It was my sister that broke my thing, and then Jessa was like, "Oh, we should sing Cheetah Girl."
Cause before you were like, oh, you think they can hear us? I was just like, do you think they can hear us? And then Jackie was like, no, and I was like, yeah. The fight.
I'm so scared. I don't want to get out. Oh my god, that was so scary.
What are they doing now? Or maybe they were just having like really angry sex.
Oh, they're gonna go at it.
Oh my god.
Check it out.
Dude, that was
Great cat.
scary.
Great
When they're not like here, maybe they're moaning. Turn off the music though. Go down even a little bit. I'm talking.
That's so scary. Oh my god, I'm scared.
That gray cat's pissed.
No, I think they're mating.
Nuh-uh.
Because it's not.
Good morning. Alright, so
This is Jessa's vlog, so I will talk about Jessa. Oh yeah, she's so pretty with her makeup on. She likes to experiment with plenty of hairstyles and she has pretty bows in her hair. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She likes pretty bows in her hair and then she has pretty nails. She likes to paint her nails different colors. Wait, I wasn't done with that song. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Jessa Sacramento, she likes to paint her nails. They look very pretty like the ocean, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Here we go, Jessa. This one's for you, yeah.